Morning! Good morning! Going to church today. I'm done with my breakfast. Here. It's sunny day. Sunny Sunday. Good morning, everyone. I'll go to church today because I don't have volunteering. Welcome to my subscribers. I'll go to MRT station to attend Mass because I don't have volunteering today. So I'm free, I have me time. See the place. Church, travel for 45 minutes going to church and meet my friends after. Here is weather is very nice today. Use this for my ceiling card. So, see you, Bessie, this afternoon. I have me time today. I don't have events. I don't have volunteering. So, next Sunday, maybe we'll go to Flower Dome or Cloud Forest if we confirm our schedule. There's so many people already because it's today because I will go to church. Going to church. It's so windy. It's nice. How are you doing today, guys? What is that sound? I'm here in the station, so I'm looking for the best place. Best place. Here, tayo today is I'm in my bag. I haven't used for a long time. Very nice. Guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for subscribing. See you again. God bless.